Okay, hot topic here. Do pools need to circulate clockwise north of the equator? Every once in a while, somebody tells me that pool returns need to make the water circulate clockwise because we're in the Northern Hemisphere. Apparently, Mother Earth has a very strong opinion about pool hydraulics. Yes, the Coriolis effect is real. Earth's rotation influences the apparent motion of things moving across its surface. It's important enough to help influence hurricanes, large weather systems, and ocean currents. But your swimming pool isn't the Atlantic Ocean. At the size of your backyard pool, the Coriolis effect is so tiny compared with other forces acting on the water that it doesn't determine which way your pool should circulate. Your pump, return jets, pool shape, skimmers, wind, waterfalls, cleaners, all are pushing water around with forces that completely overwhelm any meaningful Coriolis influence. Think about it in another way. If Earth's rotation were strong enough to dictate which direction a 20,000-gallon swimming pool had to circulate, we'd have some explaining to do when helicopters cross the equator. Attention passengers, we've entered the Southern Hemisphere. Please remain seated while we reverse the rotor rotation. Guys, it's not going to happen. They don't do that, and neither does your pool. Point your returns where they actually improve circulation, mixing and skimming. Depending on the shape of your pool, clockwise circulation may benefit you. Counterclockwise circulation may benefit you. Multiple circulation patterns or something that doesn't resemble a neat circle at all may benefit you. Every pool is different. The goal isn't to make the water obey the hemisphere in the spinning of the earth. The goal is to make the water obey the pump. Earth can handle the hurricanes. We'll handle the swimming pools. I can't wait to see the responses I get on this. Guys, have fun with it. Don't be rude to anybody that believes this. Nobody came up with this on their own. This has been passed down for years. But make sure you like, follow, subscribe. We'll be talking to you soon.